Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. It's Kevster and thank you for tuning in. So, as you can see, we got the Supra here at the new Oso 6 base. So, today will be the first official mod on the Supra. We are installing the Titan Motorsports catless downpipe on the A90 to wake it up. So, we have it ready to be lifted up in the air. So, let's get to it. My buddy Nick will be helping me out. Big shout out to him. And let's see how it goes. All right, so this will be the piece that we're installing on the Supra today. It'll be the Titan Motorsports catless downpipe. It'll be a lot louder, so they'll make the car pop, crack, and everything. Boom, boom! And we should make some power.
It is gonna make more power, because if it's not, then why are we wasting our time?
Yeah, then what's the point on putting it on the car? So, it's gonna make power.
And the cool thing that I noticed, it's all V-band. Well, it's slip and then V-band. That's pretty sick.
Gotcha.
I don't have to worry about getting bolts and, like other downpipes. So the fact that the car comes with the V-band stock, that's pretty tight. I haven't done it yet. And I'm not AAC certified, but who cares? I think I could get it just from underneath the car, but I guess we'll see. I think we should be able to just do it from underneath, but I don't know, we'll find out right now.
So update?
Nope, a little disappointed. All right, so after just looking at it, so it has two O2 sensor bungs. Depending on how the harness is kind of set up, if I wanted to, maybe I could like sneak it through, but the thing is, once you start taking off the sensor from like the one that's installed on the car, when you twist it off, right, it'll come off, but you have to keep in mind that there's a wire that's to the harness. So as you twist the sensor, the harness is also getting twisted, and last thing you'd want to do is potentially rip one of the harness. So
we're gonna have to
go underneath the engine bay. Go through the hood and at least disconnect the sensors and then install it. Oh well, thankfully we're on a lift now, and huge shout out to Benpack. This lift is super sick, 10 ton, so more than enough for the car.
All right, so now we gotta lower the car back down.
What I normally do anyways is I'll disconnect the sensor, and saying that there's no crazy clips, I'll take the stock downpipe off with the sensor still in it, and then I'll take off the sensors once the downpipe's off. It's just easier that way, and then that way when the downpipe is off, I take off the sensors and then put onto the new downpipe and then install it, and then the sensors are already on there and we're good to go. And of course, a flathead or a pick will be your best friend. There's one, two. All right, look how small that is, like to get that. See, this is where I think Honda makes it a little easier, because those clips that hold the harness, you can actually just use your thumb and then it'll pop off.
Press it down, release it.
That's pretty crazy.
So
it's, normally you push it up and then it comes off, but this has two, so that's one. And then it's still that to lock it in, so you can't press it down. So in order to press it down, you actually slide it back. Then that allows you to press it down so it lifts up, so you can fully take it off.
All right, so since we got the hood popped open, I just figured, as you guys know, this car is powered by BMW. First thing off the bat, nice little BMW logo right there. Also on the coil packs, if I can find it. Oh yeah, there. Right there, it says BMW. Upside down, but you'll see it. Up here on the vehicle emissions tag, there's a Toyota logo, but it says Bayer. I can't even pronounce that, but it says BMW pretty much. So yeah, the B58 motor, super capable. Yeah, I guess we have a thing with like red cars. We have a thing. So sick. Hey, pick your poison, or choose wisely on the road.
Yeah. Or gap both of us. It doesn't even matter. But I'm gonna tell you right now, if you gap me in the Supra, then I'm gonna bring that one out.
You might ask, well, what's to worry about this one? What kind of Civic has these on it and has this sticking out of it? I don't know, you tell me.
Ready?
This is
the
no
point,
turning
no
back?
return. I break this.
Send it, man, send it. Wait.
Up till it already twisted. That's it, it's game over. You're bye-bye warranty. That's all I know.
What warranty? What is a warranty? If you're a car guy and you modify a car, warranty should not exist at all. So, yeah.
Or he's just not worried about it, really.
True. All right, so tell them what you've done so far.
I just loosened all the bolts, so I didn't really take them all the way off. You can see even the V-band one, it's loosened, but it's not all the way out yet. So it's just right there.
Okay.
This one's already broken loose. So now I'm gonna fully take this one off, the brackets off, and I mean the biggest thing that I wanted to do first was make sure the sensors were disconnected.
Right.
So that once I start pulling this out, I'm not tugging on the harness and depinning anything on accident. See? Fortunately, it's not snap-on, but these for sure come in handy.
And why is that?
Because I was able to reach just the nuts for the bracket. See, I just broke it loose a little bit, so but it's still gonna be hard to get this off. This is why you should hit the gym. I could cheat and get some WD-40, but I'm not gonna cheat, not for your channel. We need some muscles.
Tag me in?
Yep. Oh, now you want to help, Kevin?
I do. The camera's on the tripod. I can help
Make
out
sure
now.
it's recording, Kevin.
Oh, it is. It
Are you
is.
sure?
Yes, it is.
Go check again. I kind of already got it, Kevin. I mean, but that's
you?
cool.
I'm here for support.
I should have
Literally.
Yeah, I should have just sprayed WD-40 on it, but.
There it is.
It's a little finessing,
Oh, that's a big boy.
but see the V-bands on this, so I'm not about to struggle and put it on. But now you can look at the turbo.
All right, the stock downpipe is off, and there is the turbo. So this is the OEM cat, and here's the catless downpipe that we're throwing on the car. So yeah,
Water break.
yes, let's do it. So right now he's just loosening the sensors so we can transfer it over here to the Titan Motorsports downpipe.
That's why you disconnect it, see? If it would have still been connected, you're twisting the harness. So.
There you go.
Do one at a time, that way we don't mix them up. Got the primary and secondary.
Again, just look at the difference. Catless, catted stock.
Oh, the biggest difference is right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, just the inside.
The stuff behind it. So all the stuff you see on the inside, that is for, you know, emissions purposes, whereas in here it's just hollow. You see right through it. So yep.
So less restrictive.
All right, well, he's transferred everything over onto the new downpipe. Now
This stuff out of the way. Slide this in first. All right, and now I just need to get the V-band on, but I think it's gonna be easier to put the V-band on from the top.
Okay. So we still have to remove the intake, right?
I'm still gonna cheat and try to do it without it. but
Okay.
Probably, yeah.
All right, so airbox is coming out.
Let's see if the filter is. Better still be clean.
Yeah. So let's check the bottom.
Yep, pretty good.
So from up here, once the airbox is out, there's gonna be a clear shot to what he needs to tighten.
There you go. The reason why I took out the filter was just to make sure there's nothing bolting it down.
So now look at all that room. That, Jesus.
Oh well, an extra work, but at least the intake's really easy to get off. There. Same way I take things off, I'll put everything on, just kind of leave everything hand tight, and then once everything is bolted in, and then I'll start torquing everything down.
Cool.
Back up.
So there it is right there. It's in, and then back up she goes.
Yeah, just look at the bottom, make sure the V-band's on all the way around everything.
Mm-hmm.
Seeing having it loose allows you to still maneuver everything and kind of wiggle everything. So now that slid in some more, that's good. The bracket bolts are on.
Alright, so the last step, aside from putting it back on the airbox, he's now just clipping back in the sensors.
And torquing down the V-band because I didn't do that yet.
Ah, right there. So yep, she is in right over there. Alright you guys, so the Titan Motorsports catless downpipe is officially on the A90 Supra. Huge shout out to Oso Sick for really doing most of the work. I'm sweaty, but like, it's just out of here. So it's officially on the car. Everything went smoothly for the most part. So car's on the ground. Let's go ahead and get it a cold start and do some revs for you guys. So let's go.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this because now that somebody decided to do a catless downpipe, it's gonna smell in here.
Alright you guys, first start. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that smells, bro. That smells pretty bad. Holy shit. Yeah.
Alright, just back it out so that it doesn't smell in here.
Let's go ahead and move it out. What? Yeah. I'm gonna get in trouble with this.
You better not get a ref ticket.
Dude, it's smoking out the back. Holy shit, dude. What do you think?
Sounds good. Ready for this?
I'm ready, man. Sheesh. And that's still with the stock exhaust. Jesus. All right, so wait, you want to do it at 2,000?
2,000.
All right.
I will do 4,000.
Okay.
I will do 6,000.
Yeah, guys, that's a lot louder. Because as you guys know, the A90 already comes with the burbles and everything, but nah, this just amplifies it. Yeah, that's really good. And then of course, in non-sport mode, having fun?
I am. Now Now we just need to throw some real fuel in here and make it shoot some flames.
I agree. I absolutely agree.
Yeah, this is gonna be sick, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
And once you tune it with the tune and some ethanol, I think it's gonna be a really fun car to drive.
I agree.
It's only a matter of time when you're probably gonna get a check engine light.
Yeah.
We didn't put a defouler in it.
True.
So, but that's what the tuning's for.
True. So, but yeah, hey.
It's time for dinner.
Yes.
Let's
Let's go. We should go in this, right?
Of course.
All right, so we're now in the car. It's idling and everything. So no check engine light yet, but it's only a matter of time until it does throw a code since we didn't put a defouler on it. So in the meantime, we're gonna go get dinner, get some first impressions because I was told that you will feel a difference in it and it should make some power, a little bit of power, but it'll probably just be a small difference until we get it tuned and get it on some E85.